Hey guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Apeks Bungee Compass. So this is a wrist-mounted underwater compass. It's oil-filled, so you don't have to worry about any sort of effects of pressure. And because it's got this sort of bungee wrist mount, it means that it's going to adjust to the compression of your wetsuit or dry suit, and also it makes it a lot easier to put it on. You don't have to worry about buckles and fiddly bits. So the compass itself, it's got a tilt compensated compass, so you can tilt it a fair amount and it'll still turn and spin around, which makes it really handy for scuba diving, so you don't have to keep it perfectly horizontal. Whilst you're navigating, you've got this navigation window on the front with a lubber line that sort of continues. That way you can see exactly which direction you're going if you're holding it out in front of you, but you can look top down as well. You've got the rotating bezel that rotates in both directions, so you can navigate properly. Nice, real obvious lubber line. The card inside, that actually glows in the dark if you charge that with a torch. So if you're somewhere murky, you can charge it up and then that will glow for a certain period. The boot itself is a semi-flexible sort of rubber material, and you've got plenty of sort of excess of this bungee cord, but you can just swap that out if that ever does wear out. So it'll be one of those types of compasses that just kind of last forever. You can mount it wherever you want, on your hand, on your wrist, on your arm, wherever you want it. A very handy little compass. And this is the Apeks Bungee Compass. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.